All right, the next point of concurrency is the orthocenter. Orthocenter. And the way we find the orthocenter is, I'm going to go ahead and draw, I'm going to draw another obtuse triangle because these are usually the most difficult to find, the altitudes, because the altitudes where they meet is where the orthocenter is. All right. Now, in order to draw an altitude, one of the things, for instance, if I want to draw an altitude from this line right here, I would have to, I know I was going to have to come down here, so I'll have to extend this base out. Extending the base out. And now, from there, I'll make a perpendicular bisector from that vertex here. All right, so I'll have to make an arc that's going to at least cross this thing, this extended base twice. So it's got to cross it at two places, and from there, I can use my perpendicular bisector to find out to find the altitude of this. So again, I'm going to rotate the paper here because it's a little bit easier to do that. And hopefully I won't change my distance again. All right, hold that right there. Okay, and then make my arc over here. Now, I connect these, and if I drew this somewhat properly, this is going to extend out over here a little bit right there. So that's not going to work out too bad. So this right here would then be from here to there and to the vertex there. So this is an altitude. I'm going to go ahead and extend this out both ways, all right? So this is the altitude, so that would be an altitude for that side right there. Now, I'll do an altitude from, let's just do it from right here, from this vertex here. So this is going to be a little bit easier. Here I don't have to extend because I got a pretty large side there to be able to work from. So now I'll make my arc. I got to cross the side twice. Hopefully I don't change the distance. Let's make sure I haven't changed my distance. It's off just a little bit. Let's do that again. Let's hold that again. Okay. Now that's a little bit better. So I take from this distance right here, all right, and now I make a perpendicular bisector, all right, and then I come over here to where this guy crossed right there, and I do another perpendicular bisector, all right. Then I connect these, and this is off a little bit, but not too much. So I extend this out, and so this is a right angle right there. Now, look where this guy is actually going to meet, because it's an obtuse. It's going to really be outside of the triangle is where the orthocenter, in this case right here, is going to be. So it's pretty well outside of that center right there. All right, so there's where the orthocenter is going to be, right out over in this area right here. Okay, so that's a look at the orthocenter. Remember, orthocenter is taking the two altitudes, or at least two altitudes, three if you can, if you want to, at least two altitudes, and where those two altitudes meet, that point of concurrency is called the orthocenter. Thank you.